Dear students, welcome to the class. In this class, we discuss the hyperbolic equations. The one-dimensional wave equation is an example for hyperbolic partial differential equations. Now, consider the one-dimensional wave equation. Dou square du by dou t square equal to a square dou square du by dou x square, or utt equal to a square uxx. It is called the one-dimensional wave equation. Here it can be rewritten as a squared uxx minus utt equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to a square, b equal to 0, c equal to minus 1. Therefore, b squared minus 4ac equal to 4a square, minus of minus plus. So, 4a square is greater than 0. Therefore, it is an hyperbolic PDE. Okay. Now, h equal to step size of x, k is the step size of t. To solve the one-dimensional wave equation, we need two boundary conditions and also two initial conditions. To solve the one-dimensional wave equation, we need two boundary and two initial conditions. The boundary conditions for the first column and the last column. The first column is given by the equation u of 0 comma t equal to 0, and the last column is given by u of L comma t equal to 0. The initial conditions are u of x comma 0 equal to f of x. It is for the first row. Then u t of x comma 0 equal to g of x. Ut means dou u by dou t of x comma 0 is equal to g of x, where x lies between 0 to L. That means the boundary lines is 0 and L for x. T is greater than or equal to 0. This result for this initial conditions is used for to find the second row. The explicit formula or scheme to solve the one-dimensional wave equation is u of I comma j plus 1 equal to lambda squared into u I plus 1 comma j plus u I minus 1 comma j plus 2 times of 1 minus lambda squared into u I comma j minus u I of I comma j minus 1. This formula is used for third row and onwards. Initial condition are the first row and second row. Here it is the diagram. It is the I minus 1th row here. A in the I minus 1th row. Sorry, j minus 1th row. J minus 1th row. Row means j. I means column. Yes. B, C, D are in the jth row. E in the j plus 1th row. If it is the first row, it is the second row, we can find third row from the previous two rows values. Here lambda squared into this that is lambda squared into ui plus 1 comma j plus ui minus 1 into j. So lambda squared into b plus d plus 2 times of 1 minus lambda squared into c minus ui comma j minus 1 minus a, that is lambda squared into b plus d plus 2 times of 1 minus lambda squared into c minus a. It is the explicit formula or scheme for the to solve the one-dimensional wave equation. It is an important 2-mark questions also, where lambda equal to ka by h. A is coefficient of uxx is called a square. Then we find a. We know that h is the step size of x, k is the step size of t. particular case, if lambda equal to 1, if k is not given, we choose lambda equal to 1. So Ka by h equal to 1. Ka by h equal to 1. So k equal to h by a. K equal to h by a. If k is not given, then we choose lambda equal to 1 as a special case. So k equal to h by a. Then the explicit formula becomes, it is lambda equal to 1. So it becomes 1. Lambda equal to 1, so it becomes 0. So ui comma j, the term is vanished. So ui comma j plus 1 equal to ui plus 1 comma j, ui comma j plus 1 equal to ui plus 1 comma j plus ui minus 1 comma j minus ui comma j minus 1. So e equal to b plus d minus a, b plus d minus a. Note, ut of x comma 0 equal to 0. The initial condition is ut of x comma 0 equal to 0. Then ui plus 1, sorry, I comma 1 equal to ui minus 1 comma 0 plus ui plus 1 comma 0 by 2. It is used for only the second row calculation in the table. If ut of x comma 0 equal to g of x, then ui comma 1 equal to ui minus 1 comma 0 plus ui plus 1 comma 0 plus k into g of x by 2. Then ut of x comma 0 is equal to g of x. Mostly the problem is given in the problem given ut of x comma 0 equal to 0. This only asked in the university questions. Now, if lambda greater than 0, the solution is unstable. If lambda less than or equal to 1, the solution is stable. The period of oscillation is 2L by A. L is the x value between 0 to L. So 2L by A is called the period of oscillation of the wave. It is a one-dimensional wave equation. So period of the oscillation. Now we move to the problem. Solve the one-dimensional wave equation utt equal to 4 times of uxx with the conditions u of 0 comma t equal to 0, u of 4 comma t equal to 0. So these two are the boundary conditions. Here x value is 0, here x value is 4. So x value lies between 0 to 4. It is the one initial condition u of x comma 0, since t equal to 0. So it is the initial condition u of x comma 0 equal to x into 4 minus x and ut of x comma 0 equal to 0. Here h equal to 1 up to t equal to 4. Given the one-dimensional wave equation is utt equal to 4 uxx compared with utt equal to a square uxx. So a square equal to 4, so a equal to 2. Since k is not given, so choose lambda equal to 1. So k equal to h by a. Here h equal to 1. So k equal to h by a. h1, a is 2. So 1 by 2. K equal to 0.5. Given the boundary conditions is u of 0 comma t equal to 0, u of 4 comma t equal to 0. It is the first column, it is the last column. So x values lies between 0 to 4 with h equal to 1. So x varies from 0 to 4, that is I equal to 0 to 4. Period of the oscillation is 2L by A equal to 8 by 4, sorry, 8 by 2 equal to 4. Given that we have to find the values of u of x comma t up to t equal to 4, since our question is up to t equal to 4. So up to t equal to 4 with k equal to 0.5. in the last we find k equal to 0.5. So t equal to 4 with k equal to 0.5. So t is 0 to 4 with increment 0.5. So j equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 8. Given initial conditions are u of x comma 0 equal to x into 4 minus x. Therefore, the values of the first row is given by the first column and the last column will be 0. Now the remaining values are, so 0 and 4 is 0. The remaining values are x value 1, 2, 3. So u of 1 comma 0 and u of 2 comma 0, u of 3 comma 0. Put x equal to 1. So we get 3. Put x equal to 2. We get x equal, sorry, u of 2 comma 0 equal to 4. Put x equal to 3. We get it is answer is 3. The last initial condition ut of x comma 0 equal to 0. So u of I comma 1 equal to u I minus 1 comma 0 plus u I plus 1 comma 0. That means the second row is obtained by the first row. So first row means j value is 0. The values of the second row is given by, we need the values of x value 1, 2, 3 only. So put I equal to 1, 2, 3. We get this portion may be calculated at the table. It is very easy. No need to calculate here. The third row and onwards, the remaining row values are calculated by the formula u I comma j plus 1 equal to u I minus 1 comma j plus u I plus 1 comma j minus u I comma j plus 1. The values of u I comma j are tabulated below. Given the first column will given x equal to 0 to 4. So I equal to 0 to 4. J t equal to 0 to 4 with increment 0.5. Here x increment is 1. So since h equal to 1, here k equal to 0.5. So the values increment is 0.5. J equal to 0 to 8. Here first column will be 0. The last column will be 0. The first row value is calculated here. Yes, the first row is calculated by u of x comma 0 equal to x into 4 minus x. So 3, 4, 3. So the first row value 3, 4, 3. The second row value is obtained by average of previous row value. So 0 plus 4 by 2 is 2. It is 3 plus 3 by 2 is 3. Here it is 4 plus 0 by 2 is 2. So we find the second row by this formula. Then third row and onwards we find the values by the formula. 0 is obtained by 0 plus 3 minus 3. So it is 0 here. It is well explained. This minus 3 is obtained by 0 plus 0 minus this value, previous row values. So it is minus 3. Similarly, we calculate the table value. Listen, this minus 2 is obtained by 0 plus minus 4. So add these two. So it is minus 4. Minus of minus is plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. If this is 0 is obtained by minus 2 minus 2. So it is minus 4 minus minus 4. So minus of minus plus. So minus 4 plus 4 will be 0. This 3 is obtained by 3 plus 0 minus 0. So it is 3. Similarly, we find the values of u up to t equal to 4. in this method. That's all. Then similarly, we move to the second problem. Here UTT equal to 16 UXX. So A squared equal to 4, given H equal to 1. Here up to half period of vibration, or up to T equal to 1.5 in anyhow. H is 1, K is not given. So calculated by H equal to, K equal to H by A. So K equal to 0.25. The boundary conditions 0 comma T equal to 0, 5 comma T equal to 0. So first column will be 0, last column will be 0. X values between 0 to 5. So X is 0 to 5 with H equal to 1. Period is 2L by A. L is here 5. So 2 into 5, 10 by 4. A equal to 4. Since A squared equal to 16, so A equal to 4. So period is 2.5. Half period of the vibration. Half period means period divided by 2. So 2.5 divided by 2 equal to 1.5. So we have to find the values of u of x comma t up to t equal to 1.25. That means half period with k equal to 0.25. Yes. So t equal to 0 to 1.5 with the increment 0.25. So t equal to 0, 0.25, 0.50, 0.75, 1.00, 1.25. This j equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to 5 values. That means 6 rows we have obtained. The initial condition is u of x comma 0 equal to x squared into 5 minus x. Therefore, the first row value is calculated by this formula. So 4, 12, 18 and 16 is obtained. The another one initial condition is ut of x comma 0 equal to 0. Therefore, the second row is calculated by the formula u I comma 1 equal to u I minus 1 comma 0 plus u I plus 1 comma 0 divided by 2. The remaining row values are calculated by the explicit formula u I comma j plus 1 equal to u I minus 1 comma j u I plus 1 comma j minus u I comma j minus 1. This plus this one plus this is minus. Yes, the values of u I comma j are tabulated by below. The first column will be 0 and also the last column will be 0. The first row is calculated by this value 4, 12, 18 and 16. 4, 12, 18 and 16. Then this second row is obtained by 0 plus 12 by 2, so it is 6. 4 plus 18 is 22 divided by 2 is 11. 12 plus 16, so it is 28 divided by 2, it is 14. 18 plus 0 by 2, so it is 9. Then third row 0 plus 11. 0 plus 11 is 11. 11 minus this 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. So it is value be 7. This 8 is obtained by 6 plus 14. 6 plus 14 is 20. 20 minus 12 is 8. So this value is 8. This 2 is obtained by 11 plus 9, 20. 20 minus 18. So it is 2. This minus 2 is obtained by 14 plus 0 minus 16. So it is minus 2. And similarly, we obtained the other row values. Similarly, the third problem is also done by the previous methods. Here, u of 1 comma t equal to 100 sin pi t. We use this by radian mode calculator. Use calculator in radian mode. That's all. This is very simple one. The remaining row values are calculated by using the formulas. Here first row will be 0 and first column will be 0. The last column will be calculated by the given method. Yes, the last column u of 1 comma t equal to 100 sin pi t. In the previous problem, so the last column will be 0 here, 100 sin pi t. First row will be 0 here. Second row is calculated by this formula. Third row and onwards, we use the formula. So we find the table values of u of I comma j here. The previous methods. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.